Hello, let's practice the Cantonese tense. I will play in a different way. The first time we're going to see all the English and the sentence. Later on, we will only see the English, then you have to answer the questions. In this video, I want you to focus on the flashcards, so I will not speak. Let's start it over.
Do you eat?
你食唔食飯？
Are you eating?
你食緊飯？
Have you finished eating yet? Did you eat? Have you eaten yet? Present type 2. Are you doing research?
你做緊 research？
Present type 3. Have you finished writing book?
你寫完書未？
Past type 2. Did you do homework?
你有冇做功課？
Past type 1.
你做咗功課未？
Present type 1. Do you read?
你睇唔睇書？
Okay, so this is the
你
second
食
time
唔食飯？
we will.
你食緊飯？
Okay, so
Have you finished eating yet?
你食完飯未？
all right, one more.
Did you eat?
你有冇食飯？
Have you eaten yet?
你食咗飯未？
Present type 2. Are you doing research?
Okay, we stop here.
你
Okay.
食唔食飯？
Now we only have the English.
Do you eat?
你食唔食飯？
Are you eating?
你食緊飯？
Have you finished eating yet?
你食完飯未？
Did you eat?
你有冇食飯？
Have you eaten yet?
你食咗飯未？
Present type 2. Are you doing research?
你做緊 research？
Present type 3. Have you finished writing book?
你寫完書未？
Past type 2. Did you do homework?
你有冇做功課？
Past type 1.
你做咗功課未？
Present type 1. Do you read?
你睇唔睇書？
Okay, this is very fast. It's a warm up. So now you can see the test paper. Okay, so it's a multiple choice. Then you have plenty of time to do. So I will highlight it, and then you can think a bit. Okay, let's start. So what kind of tense is it? With the word 緊 tick tock tick tock. Okay, I got it. Okay, so ing form. 你做咗功課未？咗未？你做咗功課未？ This one? Or okay, so this one. This one has to be have you done your homework? Yeah. So it's focused on completion. Yeah. Did you is 有冇？你有冇做功課？Number 3. 你寫完書未？你寫完書未？完 and 未 that would be this one. Come. 你食緊飯？你食緊飯？This is the easiest one. Do you? True or false? 睇唔睇書? So this one is not correct. Verb 完嘟嘟未？你食完飯未？ So no. 你有冇做功課？你有冇做功課？ Focus on completion. So 有冇 is more focus on the result. If you want to say completion, that would be 咗未？你做咗功課未？ Okay, 咗未？ This one 食咗飯未？ Are you eating? So this one is continuous tense. Then this one is the past tense with the completion. So this one is false. 有冇食飯? So this one is true. Did you eat? 有冇食飯? Okay, so hopefully I get it all correct. Yay. Good. So we'll stop here. Anything we can do? Okay, so this one I will put it online as well. So you will have the link here. So please like the video if you find this really useful. That will encourage me to do more video. Thank you.